Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can create tables and charts or charts and graphs in Google Sheets. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So you can see here that I have my Google Drive open and I'm going to go click on New, come down, click on Sheets, and then Blank Spreadsheet. The first thing that we're going to do once this opens is we're going to give our spreadsheet a title. So I'm going to click up here where it says Untitled Spreadsheet. And as soon as that loads, I'm going to give my spreadsheet a title. I'm just going to call it Tables and Charts. Great. Okay. So we're creating a data table that we are going to ultimately put into a chart. So in row 1, the first thing that we want to do is we want to type our header. So our headers are going to be sports playing surface and total square feet. If I click in between the A and the B, I can go ahead and open up those columns. I can also just click and drag. Very good. Okay. And now that we have our headers, now we need to go in here and populate our data. All right. So what I want to do is I want to compare the sports playing fields and their total square feet. All right. So we got a football field, soccer field, lacrosse field, hockey rink, basketball court, and tennis courts. And these are the total square feet. All right. So there's our data. The next step now will be to select our data in order to create a chart. All right. So I'm just going to highlight A1 down to B7. And we come up here to the insert menu and I'm going to select chart. Right? As that's working, Google's thinking, it's taking that data and it is automatically going to populate a chart for us. Right? So it's giving me a horizontal bar chart. Now, if you do not want that horizontal bar chart, simply come over here to setup. Let's change it to a vertical bar chart. And I can now customize my chart. So if I click customize, maybe I want to go to the title and I'm going to change my title to square feet of sports playing surfaces. Okay, also in my title, I could change my font size, I can bold it, and I can change my color. Okay. If I scroll down to my series, I can also select different colors of my series. And if you choose to, you can format your data points. So my first data point is a football field. I click OK. I'm going to choose green. And I can go ahead and continue to add my data points. So there's for my soccer field. I'm going to choose a different color for my soccer field. Click OK. Soccer field. Maybe I want that to be a darker blue. Oh, here's my soccer field. I want it to be a darker blue. All right, so make sure that when you're changing a color, you're selecting each one of the data points. You change your axis and horizontal legends at all. All right, so that's how we create a bar chart. I can also do a survey with my class. And I'm just going to click on a new sheet here. There we go. Google's being a little slow. All right, and now what I want to do is I want to create a chart of our favorite things. So again, I'm going to start by typing in my heading. And I'm going to list some of our favorite ice cream flavors. And now we took a survey of our class, so I'm going to enter the number of votes here. All right, make that column bigger. Now I'll select my data points, go up to Insert, click Chart, and this time it's giving me that column chart, but now I want to change it to a pie chart. And again, another way that I could just come in here and change title is I could just click on that title area, type favorite ice cream, and I can, if I choose to, change the colors of each pieces of the pie just by clicking on them and selecting a new color. And you can see it's giving me the different labels. So I hope that you understand how to make tables and charts, and happy graphing. Thank you.